Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another project. Today I'm going to be showing you two different finishes I like to use to give your hand tools a unique look. I say without any further ado, we jump right into it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, well let's get a good look at these. This is a pair of 1611-6 Crowder round nose pliers. I believe Mr. Magdad gave these to me. Thanks a lot, brother. I truly do appreciate it. These are cool as all get out. I want to do a unique finish on these. I want to clean them up really good, and I want to do a hot oil dip to these. And with these Crowder duckbill needle nose, I think what I want to do is a beeswax hot rub on there. Then we'll buff it out and we'll see how that looks. So I say we jump right into it. We'll start cleaning these up now. Let's go. Alright, well they cleaned up rather well from the wire wheel alone. It's not good enough. That's not what we're here for. We're going to do it just a little bit better. I am going to throw these in my ultrasonic cleaner with some deoxy, and we are going to get these sparkling clean, and then we'll go over it and do our finishes. So let's get the ultrasonic cleaner set up. Alright, we got the ultrasonic cleaner water heating up. I'm going to put the two tools in the Ziploc. I'm going to pour a little bit of deoxy down in there. Don't need much, we just need coverage. Place it in there, and we are going to let it do its thing. Alright, just got these out of the deoxy. Wipe them down. We're going to throw them right back on the wire wheel, get them cleaned up, and then I'll show you couple of the finishes I like to use on hand tools. So let's jump into that. Alright, well the round nose pliers, they are done, looking really nice. These are ready for the hot oil dip. The duck bills came out really clean too. I am really happy with these. These are going to get a beeswax finish, so I think we're going to start with the beeswax, and we'll meet you at the vise. Alrighty guys, we're just going to heat this up. We're not going to go crazy with the heat, just hot enough to melt the beeswax. Just gonna let that solidify a little bit, let it cool off. Then we can take it over to the buffer and we'll buff it out. All right. I'm going to do the hot oil a couple of times. And I'm still waiting on the duck bills to cool down so I can buff those out. Probably going to do it one more time. Again, I'm not really getting the tool hot to where it's instantly like flashing. Just want it hot enough to where it's going to caramelize that used motor oil. Alright guys, well we are all done with these finishes. This one is the beeswax finish. I really like this finish, but unfortunately beeswax has become very, very expensive. You can get the 1 pound blocks on Amazon. I don't remember what they cost, but that's where I got mine. But it is expensive, and I only do the beeswax on certain tools. But I really like this finish. Like I said, silky smooth, 100% protected, and yeah, I like it. The next, relatively cheap. If you do your own oil changes, you have leftover motor oil, and this is the one I do primarily the most. This is what I call hot blue. I heat the tool up, and I quench the tool in used motor oil. I find regular motor oil works a lot better than synthetic, but synthetic does work. So I do like that finish. This is, you know, super, super tough finish on there. And it's protected. She won't rust. Quite cool. So that's it for these. Alrighty guys, well that was 2 different finishes that I use here in the shop. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it useful. That's it for this one. Like always, stay safe, be safe, and we will see you next week with another. Bye.